Swaying palms, island breezes, crystal clear sea, just relaxing in a hammock in paradise. What a great idea. Welcome to the Beginner's Bar, Scott here, and welcome to the first drink of the vacation series. Now, this is just going to be a couple cocktails that people would normally think of for vacation time or just as a way to try and get away. So the first one is the Mojito. This is one of the drinks of Cuba. And as such, we're going to use a white rum. It's not exactly Cuban, but Flor de Caña. You saw this in my hurricane episode, link up there. So let's get into this. I'm going to start with some mint. I'm going to use 4 mint leaves. Not very good looking mint right now. Mint plant I got was a little bit sickly, so it's currently trying to soak up some sun, much like everyone else hopes to be doing. So 4 mint leaves into the shaker with a ½ ounce of simple syrup. Standard 2-to-1, and actually I'm going to go 1/4 on the simple, and I'm going to grab something that might be a little controversial, but I think will work well. I'm going to grab myself a sugar cube. Grab a sugar cube, also drop it in there. Now grab your muddler. Now, the reason why I got the sugar cube and not just go straight simple is because I want to be able to get some of the oil and more of the oil out while I muddle the mint. So grab your muddler, just go in, just slightly press. Okay, you. There we go. Don't tear the mint, not entirely. Just a light press. There we go. Looks like a little bit like a paste in there. Not bad. Now I need 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. And now 2 ounces of rum, which again, I'm gonna go Flor de Caña. Grab your ice. And I'm also gonna go ahead and grab my Collins glass. So I'm gonna go 4 cubes into my shaker. And in my Collins glass, I'm also gonna go 4 cubes. You know the drill. Take this, marry it into here, give it a pop, give it a good quick shake, about 10 seconds. Alright, beautiful. Nothing crazy, certainly nothing like the Ramos Gin Fizz. Grab your Hawthorne, strain over fresh ice. Now grab some club soda, carbonated water, seltzer, whatever you want to call it. Pour it right over, just off the ice, to top. A couple more mint leaves. It should be a sprig. Don't really have a sprig right now because of how everything is. So just give it a nice smack. Place on top just inside, and a lime wheel. Take your straw, go right between the mint and the lime. Ladies and gentlemen, the Mojito. Cheers. Very refreshing. Ooh, got fire though. It's got fire by the from the rum. It's present. Little bit tart, but it's a good cocktail. Not my favorite rum cocktail. I'll flat out state that, but it's a nice cocktail, nice refreshing cocktail. One that will make you think that you are on a beach, relaxing, letting your cares slip away. And a very good beginning to a vacation series, if I do say so myself. If you liked the video, then please hit the like button, comment, subscribe. You know all the deal. You know my socials are down there below. Personal YouTube page, youtube.com, Scott W. Smith, blah blah blah, keep it chill, you know, all that fun stuff. Until next time, when I make a tiki classic. Have a good rest of your day, have a good rest of your week, and I'll be back next time with another cocktail. This has been the Beginner's Bar.